now.
Hello, CSIRO Staff Association delegates, particularly those that couldn't make the meeting earlier today. I'm just going to go through some of the key points that we talked about around the coronavirus and our response as the Staff Association in that circumstance. So the Staff Association's response to coronavirus has been based on the principle that the safety of our staff should remain paramount and that financial disadvantage should be minimised for all our employees. Right now, comprehensive consultation with staff and representatives is really important and must occur before decisions are made in relation to work conducted in workplaces as part of CSIRO's move to gradually return employees to our physical sites. We're going to continue to work constructively with CSIRO executives and business unit leadership to make sure that that safety is protected for our members. So what have we been told so far? We've been told that CSIRO will gradually increase the density of employees working on site from next week, essentially increasing that density from 20 to 35%. This is in keeping with federal government and medical advice. Most importantly, we should always remember that staff that can work and do their work from home should continue to do that, and that's supporting social distancing in our community. Currently, as I said, we want to increase, or CSIRO wants to increase from 20 to 35%, which is the equivalent of about having another 800 staff in work sites from next week. So the Staff Association has written to CSIRO, HSE and HR and emphasised 6 key points around the gradual return to work. The first one being social distancing requirements must be maintained, including in relation to staff within common areas, laboratories and conducting field work. We want to make sure that the health and safety risks are formally assessed and consultation occurs in relation to that assessment of those risks with Staff Association officials and health and safety representatives. We particularly also want to make sure that control measures are in place around the layout of workplaces, around how each workplace is used, around the cleaning, hygiene, monitoring and reporting of those aspects to all employees. The fourth point is the Staff Association wants the individual circumstances of staff considered in decisions made around the gradual return to work. So in considering vulnerable staff and the vulnerability of immediate families and their households, as well as managing individual risk associated with anxiety and stress. We want to continue, as I said, to facilitate working from home as the primary way of working still in CSIRO and include the consideration of people's particular circumstances and preferences to do so. And lastly, we want to make sure that as decisions are made at business unit level in CSIRO, that there's a level of consistency, accountability and transparency to both staff and the Staff Association. A key way that the Staff Association has determined to support these 6 key objectives is to establish a working group, which we're calling the Return to Workplaces Working Group. We want interested members and delegates to contact us and join this working group. The objective of the working group is to provide timely and proactive advice to officials such as myself so we can better represent the issues and concerns when making representations to CSIRO management. So for more information, including the resource of our COVID-19 information page, go to our new website at csirstaff.org.au and please consider joining the working group. However much contribution you can make, it will be really valuable for us going forward and representing the issues of all of our members. Thank you.